Students, welcome in online class. Myself अपर्णा पांडे. प्रीवियस वीडियो में हम लोगों ने जो टॉपिक पढ़े थे आज उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे. शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 5 डला है पर आप इसको 1 कंसिडर करना. ओके या जैसे आप करते आए हो अभी तक प्रीवियस वीडियो में जितने भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है उसी के आगे कैरी ऑन करो. What are the two types of latent heat? Answer is latent heat of fusion, latent heat of vaporization. Next question, define latent heat of fusion of ice. What is its value? Answer, the amount of heat that is required to change 1 kg of ice into water at atmospheric pressure and at 0 degrees centigrade is known as latent heat of fusion of ice. Latent heat of fusion of ice is 3.34 into 10 the power 5 joule per kg. Next question, define latent heat of vaporization. What is its value? The amount of heat that is required to change 1 kg of water into vapor at atmospheric pressure and at 100 degrees centigrade is known as latent heat of vaporization of water. Latent heat of vaporization of water is 22.5 into 10 the power 5 joule per kg. Next question, what is ice at 273 Kelvin more effective in cooling than what at the same temperature? Answer is, it is because during melting ice takes heat from the substance and the substance gets cooled more effectively. Heat taken by ice is 3.34 into 10 the power 5 joule per kg, which is equals to latent heat of ice. Next question, what do you mean by change of physical state? Explain with example. Answer is, physical changes are changes affecting the form of a chemical substance but not its chemical composition. In general, a physical change is reversible using physical means. For example, salt dissolved in water can be recovered by allowing the water to evaporate. Next question, explain the term boiling point. Second one is freezing point. Freezing point, the temperature at which a liquid freezes to become a solid at 1 atmospheric pressure is called its freezing point. Freezing is the reverse of melting, so the freezing point of a liquid and the melting point of its solid is same. For example, melting point of ice is 0 degree centigrade and freezing point of water is also 0 degree centigrade. Next, boiling point, the temperature at which a liquid boils and changes into vapor at 1 atmospheric pressure is called its boiling point. It is important to know that boiling point of a liquid is a measure of the force of attraction between its particles. Next question, explain the following term with example. Evaporation, condensation, sublimation. Evaporation. Evaporation is defined as the process in which the state of water from liquid to gas or to vapor takes place. The melting of an ice cube is an example of evaporation. Example, evaporation of acetone, which is used for removing nail paint, is another everyday example of evaporation. Next is vaporization. ये vaporization की definition है. When a liquid changes from into a gas, the process is called evaporation. You can watch evaporation when you boil a pot of a water. Evaporation happens in two ways, evaporation and boiling. Boiling is the rapid evaporation of a liquid. The steam that comes out of a boiling kettle is actually visible water vapor. Next, sublimation. ये sublimation की definition है. The process in which a solid on heating directly changes into vapor without passing through the liquid state, and on cooling the vapors directly change into solid state is called sublimation. Figure बनाना है. Solid convert होता है vapor में. Okay. Next question, what do you mean by latent heat? एक्सप्लेन विथ एग्जाम्पल। मैंने सिर्फ लेटेंट हीट की डिफिनीशन दी है, एग्जाम्पल आपको खुद करना है। द हीट एनर्जी विच इज़ सप्लाइड टू चेंज द फिजिकल स्टेट ऑफ द सब्सटेंस इज कॉल्ड लेटेंट हीट। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स। रेस्ट टॉपिक हम अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे और साथ में उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर भी सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके, हैव अ ग्रेट डे।